What is it, Doc? You are there, yes? I am here, Doc. Copy that.
But without the bounty on your heads. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Super us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get those profits. Well, no, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye.
Alright, right side, get on the jet plane! Oh,
my friends, this is very the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful,
you're fine.
the rewards will be astronomical for me.
I can't hardly stand it. He's so excited.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. Get closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Ohnaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Right this way, recruits. All bags come off.
For
Seatbelts
your
go on.
safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Thanks, guys. The flashing buttons, good luck.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! I have the coaxium! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium! Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is pregnant. We keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. They're too hot. We've got to get out of here. A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Got him.
Our Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Woo! Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Hey, not bad.
Sabotaged us. Oh boy, she sabotaged.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, alright. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, okay, that's something.
She's in.